In a hospital environment, precious seconds matter. Effective communications are key. The ability to quickly locate patients, staff or equipment in a time of need can be vital. At Cisco, the advancements we've made in unified communications and wireless networking technology can optimize communications, helping you immediately locate assets and staff in the hospital, improving coordination of resources, and ultimately enable more time to be spent on providing patient care. This isn't a vision of the future. Everything you've seen here is possible today. Staff using their time to provide better patient care, not on searching the hospital for people and equipment. Experts with the flexibility to provide consultations remotely, reaching people near and far.
I need a free bed.
Beds being marked available by the touch of a button. Paging systems that provide two-way communication so that resources can be coordinated and the person in need is aware that help is on its way. Everyone and everything in the hospital, from patients to staff to equipment, connected on a fully unified platform. Cisco Unified Communications could help you increase efficiency without changing the way you work. For the 21st century hospital, the diagnosis looks good.